Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Abdul Wahab, Associate Professor, Department of Pharmacy, Guwahati University of Science and Technology. I'm instructor for the subject Community Pharmacy, and our today's topic is Essential Drug List and some important community pharmacy related abbreviations. And as a community pharmacist, it is sorry, it is essential for all of you that you should have a knowledge about the important community pharmacy related abbreviations and also about the drug list, essential drug list. So today we will be talking about the essential drug list and those abbreviations which are written by the doctors or physicians in prescription. So if you are going to work at the community pharmacy or in a hospital, so knowledge about these abbreviation is mandatory, because without knowledge related to these abbreviations, you can't differentiate or point out the prescription errors. So our today's discussion outlines essential drug list, WHO model list of essential medicine, World Health Organization model list of essential medicine, abbreviations. So these are the topics about which we are going to talk in our today presentation or lecture. Definition of essential drug of essential medicine as defined by the World Health Organization WHO. These are the medicine that satisfy the priority health care needs of the population. These are the medication to which people should have access at all times in sufficient amounts. The price should be at generally affordable levels. So it is the definition of essential medicine according to World Health Organization. In 2017 marked 2017 marked the 14th anniversary of the World WHO model list of essential medicines. The World Health Organization model list of essential medicine, published by the World Health Organization, contains the medication considered to be most effective and safe and to meet the most important needs in a health system. The list is frequently used by countries to help develop their own local list of essential medicines. As of 2016, more than 155 countries have created national list of essential medicine based on the World Health Organization model list. These include countries in both the developed and developing world. The list is divided into two core items and complementary items. The list is divided into core items and complementary items. The core items are deemed to be the most cost-effective option for key health problems and are usable with little additional healthcare resources. The complementary items either require additional infrastructure, such as specially trained healthcare providers or diagnostic equipment, or have a lower cost benefit ratio. About 25% of items are in the complementary list. Some medications are listed as both core and complementary, while most medications on the list are available as generic products. Being under patent does being under patent does not exclude inclusion. The first list was published in 1977 and included 212 medications, 212 medications. The WHO updates the list every 2 years. As you can see over here, that the first list was published by WHO in 1977, and in that list there were 212 medications, and the WHO World Health Organization updates the list every 2 years. The fourth list was published in 2005 and contained 306 medication. In 2015, the 19th edition of the list was published and contains around about 410 medications. The 20th edition was published in 2017. The national list contains between 334 and 580 medications. A separate list for children up to 12 years of age, known as the WHO Model List of Essential Medicine for Children, was created in 2007 and is in its 6th edition. It was created to make sure that the needs of children were systematically considered, such as availability of proper formulations. Everything in the children's list is also included in the main list. The list and notes are based on the 19th and 20th edition of the main list. Contents: anesthetics, general anesthetics and oxygen. So these are the drugs which are included in the 19th and 20th edition of the essential medicine list, which was published by WHO. Inhalation medicines: halothane, isoflurane, nitrous oxide, oxygen. Injectable medicines: ketamine, propofol. Local anesthetics: bupivacaine, lidocaine, epinephrine, ephedrine alpha. Preoperative medication and sedation for short-term procedures: atropine, midazolam, morphine. Medicines for pain and palliative care: non-opiates and non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs: acetyl salicylic acid, ibuprofen, paracetamol, acetaminophen. Opioid analgesics: codeine, fentanyl, morphine, methadone alpha. Medicines for other common symptoms in palliative care: amitriptyline, cyclizine, dexamethasone, diazepam, docosahexaene sodium, fluoxetine, haloperidol, hyoscine butyl bromide, hyoscine hydrobromide, lactulose, loperamide, metoclopramide, midazolam, ondansetron, Sena. Anti-energetics and medicine used in anaphylaxis: dexamethasone, epinephrine, hydrocortisone, loratadine, prednisolone, antidotes, and other substances used in poisoning. Non-specific, charcoal activated. Specific, acetylcysteine, atropine, calcium gluconate, methylthionine chloride, methylene blue, naloxone, penicillamine, protein blue, sodium nitrite, sodium thiosulfate, defroxamine alpha, dimercaprol alpha, famipizole alpha, sodium calcium editate alpha, succimer alpha, anticonvulsive medication, carbamazepine, diazepam, lamotrigine, lorazepam, magnesium sulfate, midazolam, phenobarbital, phenytoin, valproic acid, sodium valproate, ethosuximide, anti-infective medicines, anti-helminthics, intestinal anti-helminthics, albendazole, ivermectin, levamisole, mebendazole, niclosamide, praziquantel, pyrantel, antifilarials, albendazole, dimethyl carbamazine, ivermectin, anti schistosomols, and other anti-nematode medicines, praziquantel, clebendazole, oxaminquine alpha, antibiotics, beta-lactam medicines, amoxicillin, clavulanic acid, ampicillin, benzalpenicillin, cephalexin, cefazolin, cefexime, ceftaxime, ceftriaxone, cloxacillin, phenylmethylpenicillin, piperacillin, procanbenzylpenicillin, ceftazimide, zidima, meropenem alpha, astronem alpha, imipenem. Other antibacterials, amikacin, azithromycin, chloramphenicol, ciprofloxacin, clarithromycin, clindamycin, doxycycline, erythromycin, gentamicin, metronidazole, nitrofurantoin, spectinomycin, trimethoprim, sulfamethoxazole, trimethoprim, vancomycin, anti-leprosy medicine, clofazimine, dapsone, rifampicin, anti-tuberculosis medicines, ethambutol, isoniazid, pyrazinamide, rifampicin, ethambutol, isoniazid, rifampicin, isoniazid, pyrazinamide, rifabutin, rifampicin, rifampicin, amikacin alpha, bedaquiline, capreomycin, clofazimine, cycloserine, dilaminoid, ethanoamide, kanamycin, levofloxacin, linezolide, moxifloxacin, aminosalicylic acid, streptomycin, antifungal medicine, amphotericin B, clotrimazole, fluconazole, flucytosine, glycefluin, itraconazole, nystatin, voriconazole, potassium iodide, antiviral medicine, anti-herpes medicines, acyclovir, antiretrovirals, nucleoside, abacavir, lamivudine, tenofovir, zidovudine, non-nucleosides, reverse transcriptase inhibitors, efavirenz, nevirapine, protease inhibitors, etazanavir, ritonavir, darunavir, lopinavir, ritonavir, integrase inhibitors, dolutegravir, raltegravir, fixed dose combination, abacavir, efavirenz, emtricitabine. So these are also antiviral medicine, as you can see over here. Anti-hepatitis medicines, medicine for hepatitis B. So these are the different anti-hepatitis medicine for hepatitis C, protease inhibitor, non-nucleoside polymerase inhibitors, antiprotozoal medicines, anti-amoebic, anti-giardiasis medicines, anti-leishmanial medicines, anti-malarial medicine. So these are anti-malarial medicine which are included in the essential drug list of WHO. Anti-pneumocystis. So these are the drugs which are included in the essential drug list. Similarly, these are anti-migraine medicines. So anti-neoplastic and immunosuppressive medicine. These are anti-neoplastic and immunosuppressive medicines. Cytotoxin and adjuvant medicines. Sorry. So these are the different drugs which are cytotoxin and adjuvant medicines. So these are the different drugs which are included in the essential drug list. Hormones and anti-hormones, as you can see over here, these are the different hormones and anti-hormones. Anti-Parkinsonism medicines, medicine affecting the blood, anti-anemia medicines. These are anti-anemia medicines. medicine affecting coagulation. These are the medicines which are affecting the coagulation. Other medicines for hemoglobinopathies. Blood products and plasma substitutes of human origins. Blood and blood components. These are blood and blood components. Plasma derived medicine. Human immunoglobulins. Anti-rabies immunoglobulins. Anti-tetanus immunoglobulin. Human normal immunoglobulin. Blood coagulation factors. These are the blood coagulation factors. Plasma substitutes. Cardiovascular medicines. These are the different cardiovascular medicine which are included in the essential drug list. Anti-hypertensive medicines. Anti-thrombotic medicines. Antiplatelet medicine. Thrombocytic medicines. Lipid lowering agents. Antifungal medicine. Anti-infective medicines. Anti-inflammatory, antipruritic medicine. Medicine affecting skin differentiation and proliferation. Scabicides. There are scabicides. Ophthalmic medicines. Disinfectant and antiseptic. Disinfectant. Diuretics. These are the diuretics. Gastrointestinal medicines. Anti-ulcer medicines. Antiemetic medicines. Anti-inflammatory medicine. Laxative. Medicine used in diarrhea, oral dehydration. Medicine for diarrhea in children. Hormones and other endocrine medicines and contraceptives. Contraceptives. Oral hormone contraceptive. Injectable hormone contraceptives. These are injectable hormone intrauterine devices. Intravaginal contraceptives. Insulin and other medicines used for diabetes. Ovulation inducers. Progestogen. Thyroid hormones and anti-thyroid medicines. These are thyroid hormones and anti-thyroid medicines. Immunologicals. Diagnostic agents. These are diagnostic agents. Vaccines. These are the different vaccines which are included in the essential drug list. So these are the vaccines which should be present in the at the community pharmacy and also in the hospitals. Muscle relaxant. These are muscle relaxants. Eye preparations. Anti-inflammatory agents. Local anesthetics. So these are all the eye preparations. Oxytocin. Antioxidogenic tocolytics. Peritoneal dialysis solution. Medicine used in mood disorders, medicine used in depressive disorder. These are the medicines which are used uh, in depressive disorders, medicine used in bipolar disorders, medicine for anxiety disorder, medicine used for obsessive compulsive disorders, medicine for disorder due to psychoactive substances use, medicine acting on the respiratory tract, solution correcting water electrolyte and acid base disturbances, parenteral, these are miscellaneous agents, vitamins and minerals, these are the different vitamins and minerals which are included in the essential drug list, ear, nose and throat medicine in children, specific medicine for neonatal care, medicine administered to the neonate, medicine administered to the mother, medicine for disease of giants, medicine used to treat gout, disease modifying agent used in the rheumatoid disorders, so these were all about the essential drug list, in which around about more than 500 drugs are listed, are included. Important community pharmacy related abbreviations. So these are the different abbreviations about which the pharmacist, especially the community pharmacist, clinical pharmacist and hospital pharmacist should have knowledge, because without the knowledge of these abbreviations there will be chances of prescription error from the pharmacist side. So if you want to point out those prescription error, or if you are willing to avoid the errors in prescription, then you have to learn by heart all these abbreviations. Such type of abbreviations are mandatory for the pharmacist, especially community pharmacist, hospital pharmacist and clinical pharmacist. So these are the different abbreviations, and being a community pharmacist or a hospital pharmacist, clinical pharmacist, you have to learn all these by heart. Head, ears, eyes, nose and these are the abbreviations which are related to head, eyes, ear, nose and throat. Neurologic abbreviation which are related to neurology. Similarly, pulmonary, these are those abbreviations which are related to pulmonary disorders, in which the physician or the doctor write on in the prescriptions. So the pharmacist should know all about these abbreviations. So thank you so much. It was all about the essential drug list and some important community pharmacy related abbreviations. So God bless you.